Titus. Marco Jones is looking for the link-up play. He chases now. Damiran. Marco Jones still has the ball. Wanna go through. Goosey. Kom uit nou deur. Tackled nicely there by Marco Jones. Hy word gestop. Maar nee. Jy's 'n saksament in my oë. Gaan lê 'n bietjie. En bars maar oop. En nou het die staf rugby out hier. Hy wil nie af. Comes out wide. Hy smaak out Goosey. Hier kom hy. Marco Jones. Hy sê. Show and go. Marco Jones still goes. He's tough to get down. Hy sê ek het nog baie gas in hierdie bene. Maak hom 'n bietjie oop. Lefleur. Marco Jones. He taps it quick. Marco Jones. But no. He doesn't. Ooh! Gaan lê my maat tyd. Likaya says nee. Ek is gewoon. Some mensakke dra. Oh, hy gaan dit in. What an offload. Phillips coming in hot. Stanford coming. Soos hulle hier in die bus aangekom het. Ooh, big tackles on big tackles. What? An amazing. Here comes PJ Salts. Gaan net vir die voete. Marco Jones getting nowhere. The Eiffel Tower gets the ball out wide. Lorenzo Swartz steps in. Hy soek werk. Still available. Ball comes on. John Ross, but he gets a hold now. And Marco Jones closer to the try line. It's a try. Hy take in die sandput hier op Bou Sandpark. Skree hulle vir mekaar. Hey. Marco Jones. Speed fight. John Ross. Marco Jones. Beat. Come to Maletu. Marco Jones still fighting. Fortuin. This man is busy. Austin. Fortuin getting ball quick. Lefleur kicks it downfield.
Lefleur. Colin. We're going to bring on the stop replacement.
Kijk. Big scrum now. Ball comes out. Lefleur gets it out wide. Swartz takes on the line. Lefleur, first receiver. Tauri! Here's the opportunity. Gerbo. Tauri again. Lefleur, will he go all the way? Does he have the pace?
No.
Just short from the try line.